Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can add first names in Mailchimp in your templates, in your newsletter. So what you want to do is be in the template, click on your template and click edit. When you want to edit, just click here and you will see it here. Let's delete this. Hi. Let's write it again. Now what you want to click is merge tags and you will see it here. I have only list name, but you can have a first name if you add your audience with the names and email, or you can just add email address, but let's add list name. And as you can see, this is a list name. And right now, when I would send an email, I would see a name there. What I recommend also is definitely go preview and test it before you go. And you need to be careful. Sometimes know what can happen. It is not going to be, the first letter is not going to be big. So if you want to have a last name, for example, Stone, sometimes can happen this, that it's going to write Hi Stone, but not Hi Stone. So also be careful if it's working well. If your audiences did put into your, when they were asking for a newsletter, and they wrote there like with a small one, what can happen is that you will send them also the small. So repair it when you have the file there. All right, this is what you need to do. So that's kind of it. This is how you get the first name in your subject for your email, and that's kind of it. Thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.